Hello everyone and welcome to Sunsational. Today I'm going to make a video that I've been wanting to make for years, and it pretty much talks about foods that look like the parts of the body that they're actually good for. First on the list, we have sweet potato. When you look at a sweet potato, it is shaped like the pancreas. And it's really fascinating because sweet potato is filled with vitamin A, vitamin C, and it helps balance the glycemic index. So next on the list is carrots. Carrots are good for the eyes. If you ever chop up a carrot, which I hope you do if you cook, not baby carrots, but get an actual carrot. So if you chop a carrot, it looks just like an eye. So if you look, it looks like the iris and everything in the eye. It's just really fascinating. And it also has vitamin A, which is great for vision. Next is avocado. Avocado is really good for the uterus. It's actually really good for women's health in general. If you're a man, you can eat it. There's no problem. Eat all the guacamole you want. But it's really good. And I've actually seen a lot of research and studies talking how avocado helps balance women's hormones, especially when they're going through menopause or if they just need to rebalance their hormones. But if you look at an avocado, not only is it similar to what the uterus looks like, something I found really interesting is how the avocado has the seed right in the middle. And to me, that just resembles a woman when she's carrying a baby in her uterus. Absolutely fascinating. Next, we have walnuts. And this one is a no-brainer. No pun intended. Actually, I didn't think of that till now. If you look at it, even on the outer shell, it looks just like a brain, all the folds and crevices, and it's filled with omega-3 fatty acids, which is great for the brain, for your mood, to level your moods, make you happier, less depressed, and just balance out your brain. All right, so next on the list, we have celery. And this one's also statistically and scientifically just mesmerizing. So celery looks like bones. If you look at the structure, it's hard, it's difficult to break, it's sturdy. And the interesting fact is that celery is made up of 23% sodium, and so are your bones. Exactly 23%. All right, so next on the list is bananas. Make you happy with a smile. And it actually does increase your serotonin. It's really good for balancing your happy chemicals. And actually, yes, it's good for men's health as well. It's filled with potassium. They actually recommend for men to eat bananas because since it's filled with potassium, it's really good for prostate health as well. All right, so next is grapes. This is great with all the health stuff happening. Grapes come in bunches that look just like the alveoli in your lungs. They're great for allergies, asthma, and whatnot, just great for lung health. Onions, they make you cry. Onions, if you cut them, you see they're circular shape. They look like cells. They have a nucleus in the middle and then they go out. They look like blood cells as well. So they're really good for your cell function and they're really good for cleansing. They definitely cleanse your eyes. You know that every time you cut an onion, and they just help cleansing your body, cleansing your cells, just really healthy for you. And then we have mushrooms. When you cut them, they are shaped just like the outside of an ear. And I actually didn't know this one because I had seen this from like over a decade ago, and the mushroom one actually quite shocked me. So it's filled with vitamin D. It's great for your bones, your ear bones, and your hearing will improve. Okay, so number 10 on the list. We have a few more. Number 10 on the list is tomato. Tomatoes are really good for your heart. There are some tomatoes that have 4 chambers, which is pretty much a great, not replica, but it resembles a heart really well. Okay, and then we have grapefruit. Not only grapefruit, but a lot of citrus foods, if you cut it, it actually resembles and looks a lot like the mammary glands that you find in breasts. So it's really good for breast health, for women's health. So citrus fruits, great for women's health as well. All right, so the next one is pomegranate. This one's great for men's health. Pomegranate, I'm also going to incorporate figs, is actually filled with a lot of seeds. When you cut pomegranate, you see a lot of seeds coming out as well as figs. And this is actually great to improve sperm count, sperm quality, motility, and fertilization rate. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to add a few links in the description box. It's going to provide the information I provided as well as other fruits and vegetables that I might not have mentioned. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are fascinated, if you've already seen this, and pretty much maybe if this has actually motivated you to start eating healthier. I know for me it did. I've known this, but rereading this, I'm like, oh gosh, I need to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into my diet. So I am gonna go now and rethink my life. No, I'm kidding. All right, so thank you guys so much, and remember to stay sensational.